Hello guys, this is all my birds did, and this is a video about my birds. It is only for entertainment. Leave a like and subscribe to this video. And if you want to see more of my videos, just click on my channel. I have to clean up their glass. Like, look how dirty it is. Look at Frost. Like, look at his reaction. That was just my mom feeding me bananas. I don't know why. It's so hard to just eat a banana while recording. Anyways, I'm done holding the banana. Look at, like, Thunder. He's doing nothing. He's just standing in front of the glass. It's good. Very good. Thank you for the bananas, Mom. I really like it because, sorry about that. It's rude to speak when you're eating. Well, that's what I'm doing right now. My mom is already feeding me bananas while I was doing a video. I don't know why, but anyways. Oh yeah, don't forget to click the bell if you want any more videos. Well, if you don't know what my name is yet, it just says on my channel. It says Christy as anyways. This is the only time I get to make YouTube videos. When I'm finished with all my online work that my mom begging. Well, it's good, because you have to learn. Everyone has to learn, right? I don't know about you guys. Just comment down below if you like budgies, or if you do not have one, then comment down below any more videos you want me to make. Or you can just go on my channel and like browse for videos. Or yeah, leave a like and subscribe. See y'all.